My question is, as bird flu is round the corner, BMC has given guidelines to the doctors to discourage handshakes in poultry products. So you please kindly advise.
But they said the guidelines given by BMC that doctors should advise the patient not to do handshaking and not eat poultry products. I haven't heard this news. I don't know whether the news is right or wrong, so I cannot comment on that. But as far as the information, yes, handshaking opposite sex, na mehram, haram. So I'm with them. Opposite sex, na mehram, handshaking, girls and boys, male and female, na mehram, opposite sex, haram. Within the same sex, male and female, no problem. There are several hadith. Shaking hands, fine. It is mustab, no problem. Regarding eating poultry products, recently, there's a bird flu, which is there throughout the world. Initially, it started in 1997 in Hong Kong. Later on in the year 2002, 2003, 4, 5, it spread to Europe and other countries, Indonesia, etc. Later on, it was identified in India, in Maharashtra, in the state where we live. So because it was identified, the government is taking all precautions about this, and many newspapers have reported that in today's headline, Times of India also, that bird flu. And there are reports that maybe one person has died. And so far about 190 people in the world have died in this past few years, human beings have died. So this is a disease which originates mainly in the poultry, in the birds, etc. And it can go on to the human beings, and there are chances human being can die. There are symptoms like cold, like cough. There can be conjunctivitis also. But the report also says that eating poultry products doesn't cause you to get infected by the disease. And if you cook the hen or the chicken very well above 70 degrees, it's very safe. It will mainly come by contact. So handshaking with the chicken is a problem. I don't know where you got this from. So handshake with the chicken may be a problem. So the doctor says that don't touch the chicken and you're going to fast, because the main infection is direct contact. And if that human being who touches the chicken, so handshaking with the people who are selling poultry products also can be another extension to it, you know. Those people are dealing with poultry and selling of chicken, and handshake with them, it can be a problem, it's fine. But otherwise, I don't know of any medical reason why handshaking among the human beings should be stopped. For what reason? Why? Unless the person who is shaking hands, not a hygienic person, is dirty, and that's a different thing. But I haven't read in any medical book why handshake should be prohibited. Poultry products because of certain diseases that have come. But this disease particularly, bird flu, the medical science says it doesn't spread by eating as long as you cook it very well. It mainly spreads by direct contact. So hope that answers the question.